besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the things Temu sent me. I got these gifts for free on Temu, and it was so amazing getting this gift. I saw the gift and I was like, I need to get it, and I got it. And guys, today I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys to see. So let's get into it. So guys, this is it. I got 3 items and I'm going to start unboxing from the least, I won't say least favorite, but like the least exciting package right here. So then I'll do the main one afterwards. So this is a egg organizer kind of thing. It's for like putting eggs, arranging eggs basically, and once you take it out, it will start like bringing it out by itself. Yeah, that's what this is basically. So the eggs can be, I think, up to 20 eggs. So it goes in and drops till you get to the end right here. So it's those organizers, egg organizers basically. So this is what this actually looks like. This is the third gift. Now the second gift is this. This is a smart sunglasses. So it's a wireless glasses that can you can listen to music with it, you can receive calls with it. This is it. Glasses wireless headset. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to remove it so you guys can see what is inside.
Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Oh, see the glasses, guys. It looks really nice. Really nice. Really nice. So you can play music with it, connect it with Bluetooth basically to your phone. I'm going to do another video of, I think, myself using these glasses to see how it works, like to show you guys how it works, how to connect it, like a detailed video, but not today. But this is what the glasses looks like. And then what else do we have in this package? Okay, we have the charger. It's a normal USB charger. Then we have this for cleaning the glasses. And then we have the manual. So the manual will show me how to download the app, if it has an app, how to connect it, everything I need to know. This is what I'm going to use to like learn everything, or I'm going to just check YouTube to check for tutorials on how to use these glasses. So guys, this is what it is. It's really cute. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's actually really nice. Like, I love the size. This size is what I actually wanted. Yeah, this is it, guys. So we're going to move to the next gift. The main gift, the gift that is busting my head, the gift that is making me guys, guys, oh my god, I'm amazed. Like, this one amazed me the most. Like, look at it. It's a gimbal. Amazing. Now we're going to unbox it, because this is actually like tear rubber, like so let's unbox it. Whoa. Oh my god. Guys. I can't wait to unbox it. I can't wait to unbox it. I've watched so many reviews on YouTube. Oh god, look at it. Oh my god. Master's Lip always leads. AH1 gimbal. Ta-da, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. The packaging is top notch. Top notch. So let's drop this here. Guys. Okay. This is the screw. It's like a stand for the tripod, for the gimbal. And I like the fact that you can actually put this gimbal on your tripod stand because it has this screw basically. So this is it. And then, okay, this is the charger. Yes, this is the charger. It looks so durable. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then, hey, God, I beg, oh, hey, oh my God. I'm going to do another video showing you guys how to use this and the glasses because right now I don't think I can do anything because I'm still savoring the beauty of this amazing gimbal. So I think you open it, yeah, like this. Oh my goodness. Even me too, I need to even learn it. So I think you on it like this. Oh my god. Okay, so guys, this is it. So once I'm setting it up, I'm going to show you guys how it works. So yeah, this is it. This is my gimbal. Wow, guys, this is what it looks like. So you just put this. Wow. So guys, this is what it looks like. I need to charge it so that it can start working better. So this is what it looks like. I'm so excited about this, like very, very, very excited. Guys, it also comes with a detailed manual. This is what the manual looks like. It's actually really detailed. I think it's in different languages. So this is basically what it looks like. So with this, I can learn everything I need to learn and plus YouTube as well. And yes, this is what it looks like. Guys, I love everything I got. I'm so excited. I am mind blown. I actually like thought I was going to get something else and I got this and I'm so excited. I am so excited. This is what this is. Guys, like I said, I'm going to do another video showing you guys like a demo on my setting it up and everything. I'm going to try to film myself setting it up. And yes, guys, this is what I have right here. I hope you guys love it. And guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. If you have any questions as well, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. I'll be ready to answer you. And yes, guys, until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.